Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Yes, the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's still Monday. Monday, May the 30th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle. The Sudoku with 3 stars seems to be a 2 stars. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. After the binary puzzle, the last puzzle will be the tectonic with 4 stars. But first, this one will be number 4625. Before I start, what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double O, here one, and there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. Same for here. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and a fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Wait. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. Oh, wait. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. We need to compare. That's the question. Well, 100. Well, this one is almost the same as that one. The row, yeah. Interesting. Okay, so I think we need to compare the columns. One. Oh, yeah. This column and that column. One, empty box. One, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this row. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay, now I've told you this one is almost the same as that one, because we have a O, 1, O, empty box. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, double yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Wow. Compare again. Yeah. With this column and the last column. 1 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, then O. Finished in 6 minutes. Wow. Interesting. So, need more time to think. Yeah. Not so easy. Need to compare. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.